Good morning. This is Dave. How's everybody in YouTube doing? We come to you with another blog. It's kind of hot in here. I'm inside one of the warehouses of the farms that I work at. Just want to let you know that we're doing well. We're doing okay. We've had major changes in our lives, and we're here to stay. And unfortunately, my flight tickets are going to get canceled. I was hoping that I'd go to the Philippines and get my vacation next month. But that's not going to happen. We can all thank COVID-19 for that. Um, Other than that, there's really nothing going on around the farm. We still have cotton growing. We're finished with the watermelon and the onions already, as you well know. By now, we currently had a hurricane that came in about 2.5 weeks ago. We were out of power for a while. Uh, what they call in the Philippines a brownout or a blackout, or I don't know what they call it. Um, we're doing fine now. We're getting back on our feet. We're doing what's best for us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, I have something better or new to talk about. Unfortunately, most of my blogs are kind of boring because I'm stuck here at the farm. I would have hoped to have brought you some adventures out in the exotic islands of the Philippines next month, but that's not going to happen. Hopefully, maybe by February, if the Philippine government opens leisure travel for tourists, um, we'll head on over to the Philippines and we'll take the adventure with us. For now, you all have a wonderful weekend. Have a safe weekend. Maintain your social distancing and abide by the rules, either by the president, whatever the president says, or whatever rules the Centers of Disease Control have. For now, you all have a good weekend and God bless.